Why are coolant hoses underneath the hood of a car becoming more complicated? Well, we're going to find out why next.
This video is sponsored by Dayco. Visit DaycoAftermarket.com for more information.
Back in the day, there were probably 4 hoses underneath the hood of the car that carried the coolant around. You had 2 for the radiator and the engine, and another 2 that carried coolant to the heater core. Today, you can have a lot more, and they're a lot more highly engineered. So why is this happening? Well, the reality of it is engines are a lot more efficient. A lot of OEMs have divided the cooling for the head and the block into 2 different circuits, and they bypass each other and sometimes even combine. They do this with a thermal management module that can control the coolant in the different circuits. This is what's making it even more complex, and you may see hoses that go off to the head, off to the block, on some engines. The other reason is they're using a lot more turbochargers and superchargers on vehicles. So you may have a coolant hose going from a coolant transfer pump that then transfers the coolant to the turbocharger once the engine is shut down. This prevents coking of oil inside the turbocharger housing and makes the turbo last a whole lot longer. The other reason why, well, it comes down to the cabin and the temperature inside. With the thermal management module, they're able to send the right amount of coolant to warm up the cabin faster so the driver is not inconvenienced. This means typically there's going to be more hoses going to either a heater core or multiple heater cores on the vehicle. So when you're replacing one of these assemblies, make sure you replace it as an assembly. Try not to cobble together something out of bulk hose that could cause problems down the road. A lot of these are molded to the engine and they stay out of the way of vital components and it will prevent damage from rotating objects on the engine or very hot areas like around a turbocharger. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.